If you're someone who uses an Apple Pencil or a Logitech Crayon, you're going to love this next tip. Simply take your pencil and go to the bottom right corner of your iPad screen and just slide in diagonally. Instantly, you'll have a screenshot of whatever's on your page. From here you can go straight into the markup tools to annotate or highlight, and then you can press done in the top corner to save that screenshot wherever you'd like it to go. Don't forget, when you've taken your screenshot by sliding the pencil in from the bottom right hand corner, you can always choose to have a full page screenshot as well, which will save as a PDF document. This will capture the whole web page or document that you're looking at, making sure you won't miss anything in your screenshot. It's really quick to use this shortcut when you remember it's there, and you can get screenshots with just your pencil whenever you'd like.